labeling some code. Okay, so let's click on our Moodle page. Okay, and let's click on Khan Academy labeling our code part 4. Okay, so from here, okay, you'll watch the videos and instructions. Then you'll click on, let's click on Bunny Link Project. Okay, now, okay, this is a previously created, pretty adorable, pretty cute bunny here. Okay, created directly on Khan Academy using JavaScript. Okay, now we're not going to be writing any code for this one. We're simply going to practice labeling. Okay, now, and that's very important. Let's say you're doing a spin-off. Okay, a spin-off on Khan Academy is something like an alteration of something that's already been created but kind of made your own, either by writing in your own code or changing code that's already in there. Okay, and we'll elaborate. Okay, so let's talk about what this code, the code that's here, is first. Okay, so for our background, okay, that is this basic blue background right here. Okay, if you click on here, you could actually see that color in there. Okay, we're going to leave that alone. Okay, we're just going to label that. Now it's pretty self-explanatory that that's the background. We won't really need to put a label there. We're going to label it with our / marks here. Okay, so stroke weight. Now stroke weight, okay, is, you could see the black outline around the bunny, the black outline around like where the grass is, the sun right here. That's going to be the stroke weight is going to be the outline that goes around everything. Okay, so stroke weight. Okay. So I'm gonna change that. Pick a lighter stroke weight for outlines. Just put. We could leave that there, and then underneath it, just put / outline of the bunny. Outline of the bunny picture. Okay, because it's not just the bunny; it's everything in there. Okay, that's for stroke weight. Okay, so here we see that there's a fill here, and it looks like if it's a gray fill there, that's actually for our bunny. Okay. Okay, so right here we could put underneath here, this is going to be the start of our bunny details. Okay, our bunny color. Okay. And then right here, let's see, what's this Benzier? Okay. I'm just gonna click on one of the numbers in here. Delete something, change something. Okay, 0. Okay, so I see here that that's going to be, this is a curve right here. Benzier is a curved shape that you create in Khan Academy and on JavaScript. Okay, we've used ellipse to create like your basic circle. Okay, you could use rectangle to create like a rectangle or a square. Okay, but for Benzier, these create the like the non-angle curves there. Okay. These are non like triangle angle curves, right angle curves. Okay, our Benzier. Okay, so right here we know that that's his ears, so we could also put bunny. This is going to be the start of like all things that go into the bunny in general. You can see like a whole bunch of ellipses in here. This is all bunny detail. Okay, so we can put bunny color and design. Okay, so labeling, again, labeling what this code is. Okay, right here, that's also his ears. Okay. Now we're going to want to also label everything inside there to be very specific as to like what everything is. So right here, okay, I'm going to do 2 spaces. Okay, I'm going to put bunny color. Bunny color. Excellent. Okay. And this Benzier curve, we saw that was for an ear. Let's go in and delete something and change it again to 0. Okay, so that's going to be, that's his right ear right here. Right ear to us. Okay, so I'm going to put, okay, right ear design. Okay, right ear design. Okay, which would make this one under here, it's probably going to be the left ear, but we'll check. Yep, and that's the left ear. So we'll put a space in between that and over the top. Okay, / marks left ear design. And we're going to go through all this code, okay, on here. Okay. It might take us a little bit. That's okay. It's not too bad, though. And we're going to label the rest of this stuff. We're going to label it. Okay, I'll show you my finished product so you see kind of what it should look like at the end. Okay. Now your labeling might be a little different than mine. Whatever helps you point out what that code specifically means. Okay, so here, let's go down to where it says there's always some slash marks in here. Set the size of the point. Okay, so here, this is stroke weight. Okay, stroke weight of, and I'm not sure what it's of yet. Okay. Oh, okay, now, this is simply his eye. Okay. And instead of making a circle here, since it's so small, okay, they just created this as a point. Okay, this eye is just simply written in code as a point and then filled with a stroke weight. Okay, so you can see if we make this smaller, see if we make this like 5. Oh, okay, see how smaller? See how his eye got smaller? Okay, I'm gonna put it back to 10. Okay, we just simply here created a point. Okay. Create this as a point instead of a shape, and then filled it with a stroke weight. Okay, to make it bigger. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna change that to. I'm gonna put underneath there. Or I'm gonna put over the top of it. Okay. Eye. Well, since we can't see the other eye, I'm gonna put bunny's eye. Okay. And he probably has 2 eyes, but we can only see one in the picture. Okay. So here we have a stroke weight of something else, and these are lines. So let's see what these lines were created for. Okay. So I'm gonna click on the stroke weight 1. Okay, I can't really tell what that's for. So let's actually click on the specific lines. Okay. So it's looking like these lines are his whiskers here. Okay, yeah. Top whisker, middle whisker, and bottom whisker. And let's see what this line's got to be his mouth, I'm going to assume. Yes. Okay, so here we have stroke weight. Okay, actually, let's do that again. Let's focus on the mouth now. Okay, yeah, you could even see that the whiskers in the mouth get smaller there. Okay, when we change the stroke weight. So we go ahead and label these as his mouth and whiskers. I'm not going to do that. You guys could do that on your own. Okay, and then we have one final ellipse here. Okay. You really only have to click on the fill, see the color. There's only one thing with that color in there, and that's our sun. So we could also label the bottom as our sun. Okay, I'm going to change that from ellipse to just sun. Okay. All right. Okay, now I'm going to show you my finished product. I already saved it in my my programs. That's if you hit save spin off here, okay, it'll save it. It'll go to my programs. Okay, but I already have one pre-saved in here. It's called New Hope Bunny. So I'm going to go back to that. Computer science, and then it's the second thing on the left-hand toolbar. My programs. Okay, there it is. New Hope Bunny, Teacher Edition. Okay, now you see I have all this stuff in here labeled in. Okay. Now, as you could probably see, you're like, oh, well, I can't take a screenshot of that. That's not going to work out quite right. This time you were actually going to copy the link. Copy that link. Okay, and then you're going to upload that link in the the Part 4 forum in Moodle. Usually where we put our done comment or our finished comment, that we'll put our link to our labeled bunny so we could actually see the labels on there. Okay? Best of luck. Okay, it seems like a lot. It's pretty easy. Okay? Different stuff that we learned in here. Okay, and I'm going to go again. Let's go back to that copy. Okay. Different stuff that we learned. Okay, background. Okay, to set a basic background for our whole picture. Okay, and you can see here the background here is blue. Okay, and then we created grass here with the Benzier curve. Okay, and you'll see that in here somewhere. Just make sure you go through it. Our grass. Okay. Again, click on the fill and you can see the color. Okay. Our Benzier curve. Okay. It simply makes a curve that sets different X and Y access points to kind of create a curved design. Okay, you can see that there with our grass, with our bunny's ears. Okay. Also, let's see what else. What else does our Benzier curve help us create? Okay. Yeah, simply our left and right ear. Okay. And our grass. Okay, left and right ear, and the curve and the grass there. Everything else is created by either ellipse, line, or point. Okay, we'll go back to our point. We talked about that already. Okay, that was our eye, and then our lines were those simple lines we used to create the mouth and the whiskers. Okay, remember. Okay, now to screenshot here, we're gonna copy the link. Okay, post that on our forum. Post that in our forum in Moodle, on Moodle. Okay, best of luck. Okay, until next time.